Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe.
Hey everyone, back at you with another quick video today. So what we're going to do is work on the little caps that go on to the ends of the A-arms to kind of hold the seal in. So I have a couple of them, all the other ones that we had took out. What I'm doing is getting a wire brush, got them here, putting them into my vise, and then just shining them up, buffing them real good, making them look better than what they were. I actually just got them in some stripper and some acetone stuff here to try to clean up these hubs, clean up these bushings and whatnot. We're going to get two of them out real quick, and I'm going to show you how we're going to get it all set up. So here we go. Got my vise. Got these two here. Going to get them down there in the vise. Got my wire brush. Just going to get a little bit of we're going to go back onto one of the lower A-arms. We're going to put the bushings back into them and get them back onto the lower part of the machine. So here we go. We have one of the A-arms that is done. I'm just going to go ahead and get the grease zerks back in to the rears. They are 8mm. Just put them in and snug them up nice and tight. And this is the one that's going to go on that side over there. So, just going to let it sit on the floor. We're going to do the same thing. Get the other side rolling. Got our bushings cleaned up that we're going to put back in. One in on each side. Our cap on an 810. This is not a clean one. Yeah. Do the same thing over here. Got a little silence now. Kids just finished arguing out in the yard. So, I'm going in the house. All right, we got side one in. We'll sit there being all nice and black. And the uppers are going to be red. I do have the bushings coming for those. The bottom ones seem to be good. We're going to put the zerks in on this side and then do the exact same thing on the other. We have the first one in there. Going to be looking good. All right. We'll wait till we get all of them on there and we'll get them all looped up, get them all tightened down. I can probably go ahead and tighten these down, but that's how the A-arms are going to go on. I'll post a picture at the very end of the lower is on. All right, after a good bit of persuasion, I got another nut on there. Didn't want to go on the best, so we'll figure that out here shortly. We're going to get the new bushings out. Here we go. We got part number 90387-100Y6. So we have the upper control arm, got the new stock slid in there, nice and snug. All right, everyone, here we are. Got the Raptor 250. My little girl behind me. Say hey.
Hey.
All right, so what have we done, honey? Do you know? You don't know what we've done. All right, so what we did is what color is that frame?
Right here?
Yep.
Black.
Black. What color is those shocks in the front?
Right here?
Well, those are A-arms. What color are those?
Right here?
Yep.
Red.
What's the other things? The little coily things look like slinkies.
What's Slinky?
Spin. It goes up that little tower. Right there. Look. Right out. What's that? What color is that?
Black.
That ain't black. Come on.
Silver.
Silver. All right. So what we're going to do is just keep the machine in this kind of two-tone with the silver accents in it. Didn't want to go over the top. Sometimes less is more in these machines. We did just put a coat of flat black on top of the wheels. The brake dust or the debris thing we put down there, we painted those red. Left the hubs silver, left the spring silver. Did the upper A-arms, which are the factory ones. Put new bushings in the front. Took everything out, painted it. Did all the grease zerks, swapped them all out. As enamel paint and implement paint with a gloss clear coat on it. Factory steering stem. I have my new brake lever coming in the mail, but this was just a quick rundown of where we are today and what we've got going with it. My son has helped me, but he didn't want to be in this video right now, and he's over here acting crazy, so we'll just get him in the next one. All right, honey, say bye.
Bye.
What is your ending?
Subscribe.
What else?
This is the end.